Today I'm going to show you how to switch time frames in TradingView. So changing your time frame on your TradingView desktop app is quite simple. So over here at the top you'll see a 1M, okay, and of course whichever one you are seeing, that is the current time frame that you're looking at. Now you'll see it comes in ticks, seconds, minutes, hours, days, and ranges. So what we essentially want to do is, you will see if you're putting your cursor over any one of them, you can actually add it to the top of this toolbar. So let's say we want 1 minute time frame, we want 5, 15, 1 hour, and 4 hour time frame. Now, if you click away, you'll see right over here at the top, your 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour time frame has all been added in here. So you can quickly navigate through each one of these time frames. If you'd like to add or remove any one of those, quite simply just click on the star to remove it, or click on one of these stars to add that time frame.